How to connect your Bolt.new website to Netlify. If you've built a website using Bolt.new, you might be wondering how to deploy it online for others to see. One of the easiest way to do this is by using Netlify, a free hosting platform that supports static websites. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of connecting your Bolt.new website to Netlify so you can publish your site with ease. By the end, you'll be able to basically export your Bolt.new project, upload and deploy it to Netlify. Now, to get started, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. And before heading over into our in-depth tutorial, let's talk about the overview of Bolt. Bolt is an online code editor and prototyping tool that allows users to write, test, and share code without needing to install any software. It's ideal for quick prototyping of ideas before full-scale development, testing small snippets of code without setting up full IDE, collaboration with team members using real-time sharing, and lastly, web development, scripting, and even back-end development with supported programming languages. Unlike traditional code editors like VS Code or IntelliJ, Bolt runs entirely in the cloud, meaning you can access it from any device without needing to install anything. And so to get started, you want to navigate through their official website, which is Bolt.com. From here, we can then go ahead and create our account by clicking on the login button. Simply once inside, you can then go ahead and see this menu right here where you can then select Google or Apple to sign in using your account. Right after, it will then take us to our account dashboard right here where we can now start using the software. Now the key features of Bolt is it has no browser or browser-based development. Basically, you don't need to install software. You just open a browser and start coding. It can work across multiple devices including desktop, tablets, and even mobile. It's perfect for developers who want a lightweight, fast solution for coding. You also have multi-language support like HTML, CSS, JavaScript for front-end development, Python for scripting and back-end apps, Node.js for server-side applications, and other languages depending on the project type selected. You have real-time code execution. You can run code instantly within the browser. Web-based projects can be previewed in real time. You have collaboration and sharing. Easily generate a shareable link to send to your code to others. It supports real-time collaboration, making it great for teams working remotely. So the first thing that you want to do is to head over to your dashboard of Bolt.new, and inside we basically have to export the website that we want to integrate with our Netlify. In my case, I'm going to be creating a new website right here, and you can do that by typing a basic command inside your own dashboard. And so from there, after creating your website or navigating through the website that you want to deploy into Netlify, you can just go ahead and click on this specific button right here in order to export our website. It's right beside connect to the Supabase button. From here, you then want to click on the download button, and it will basically download all of our files right here into a zip file into our local machine. From there, let's now navigate through Netlify. And so let's now go ahead and create our Netlify account. Navigate through their official website, which is netlify.com. Click on the sign up button, and from here you can then go ahead and use one of the following: your GitHub account, GitLab, or Bitbucket. You can also go ahead and sign up using your email address if you want to. In my case, I'm going to be using my GitHub account. From there, it will then ask us some additional questions like our first name, last name, how are we planning to use Netlify, and what kind of site do we want to build first. And so you can just go ahead and answer the following questions inside this tab. And from there, after creating your account, we will now be taken to our Netlify dashboard where we can manually import or upload our folder to our website. So to do that, we already have downloaded the files necessary in order to upload our folder right here. So you can just go ahead and navigate through your website folder, and right after that, you then want to drag and drop your folder inside Netlify. So in my case, it's going to be this folder right here. Drag it inside Netlify, and it will now upload all of the folder or files inside our website. From there, we can then go ahead and see that it says deploy success. We can now click on the get started button. And to manually view your website, you can just go ahead and navigate through the sites category inside Netlify. Click on your website right here, and right after, you will then be able to see your web page or URL in order for you to view your website. So if you click on this URL right here, you will be able to do so. And in my case, my website will go ahead and look something like this: a phone article on my web page. And so we can basically go ahead and do multiple things inside Netlify, like enabling the visual editor. So if you click on this page right here, you will be able to do so. But unfortunately, the visual editor is not currently available for manual deploys. So you can only do this if you are uploading from Git or using one of their templates. Now in here, we can also go ahead and set up our own domain if we want to, now that our site is deployed. So you can just buy a new domain if you don't have one, or if you already have your own domain, you simply want to click on set up a domain that you already own. From here, you then want to enter your domain, click on verify, and you will be able to use your own domain for your deployed website. So in here, we basically have multiple metrics that we can go ahead and track for our website, like our domain management. And we also have the metrics category right here. We have our site analytics, the real-time user metrics, and function metrics. Unfortunately, you cannot go ahead and view all of the features on Netlify if you are using a free subscription or a free account. Now, you want to go ahead and enable automatic updates if you want to. If you frequently update your Bolt.new website, you can basically use GitHub and Netlify's Git integration to automate deployments. Here's how. You basically want to push your Bolt.new projects to GitHub. You'll need a GitHub account. From there, in Netlify, you then want to click on New Site from Git, select GitHub, and you then want to choose your repository and set up the build-up settings to deploy updates automatically. Every time you update your GitHub repository, Netlify will auto-deploy your changes. Now, connecting your Bolt.new website to Netlify is an easy way to host and publish your projects online. Whether you're launching a personal website, a portfolio, or a small business site, Netlify provides fast, free, and scalable hosting solutions. And so, you then want to try this method out today and share your live websites with the world. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow our channel for similar videos like this one. As always, thanks for watching.